Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to italicize in Character.AI. If you want to simulate italics on Character.AI, then here is how you can do it. First, open the Character.AI application from the app drawer. You can also log in to beta.character.ai with your account. After signed in, go ahead and open up a chat with a character by tapping on one of the options. Once you're inside, in the search box, in order to italicize text, you can use asterisk. Wrap the text you want to italicize with a single asterisk on each sides, just like I'm gonna show you on the example over here, and close it off with another asterisk sign like this. After you are done with it, tap on the arrow or the send button on the right corner. As you can see that the text has now been italicized. All you need to do is to wrap your text with a single asterisk on each sides and you'll be able to apply italic effects on the text. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.